The narrow-billed toddy and its close cousin, the broad-billed toddy, can be found throughout the countryside of Haiti and the Dominican Republic. The island of Haiti, shared with its neighbors, the Dominican Republic, is primarily mountain and hill country. The Hispaniola woodpecker builds its home in the trunk of dead palm trees, and from time to time does a little bit of house cleaning. Palm trees are common throughout the island of Haiti and are sometimes referred to as widowmakers. People seeking shade and rest under these trees need to be wary of coconuts above that could fall and injure them, or possibly even kill them. The Haitian countryside certainly has its share of beauty. The green-tailed ground tanger forages amongst the stones and rocks for food. Dung beetles are common throughout the countryside of Haiti, as are the livestock that provide them with the raw materials. The Haitian brown tarantula is native to Haiti and can be found in the countryside. Geckos are very common throughout the island of Haiti and come in a variety of colors, from beautiful blues and greens to yellows and oranges. They're sometimes found foraging on the ground, searching for insects amongst the leaf litter, but they're most commonly found in the trees. The Haitian countryside can be beautiful and awe-inspiring, as seen from the side of this mountain, but it's not easy getting there. Mango trees grow wild throughout the country. There are more than 2,700 species of birds and waterfowl found in the country of Haiti. Turkey vultures are commonly seen searching from the skies for their next meal of carrion.